Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you 3 big airdrops through which you can earn a huge amount of rewards. So please don't miss these airdrops and must join right now. Please don't waste any time and just join these airdrops right now. So let's move on to our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel is Hidden Airdrop. I provided the link of this Telegram channel in the description, so you must join this Telegram channel right now. And here I provide all the best airdrops. So first airdrop is this one. Please join this airdrop first because this may be a very good and legit airdrop. So click on this airdrop form. Now open it in any browser. Now you can see this kind of interface. This page is open now. You just need to click on this. Follow all these tasks. Like click on this Telegram link. Follow Telegram. Click on the below link. Join this Telegram group. After you have joined this Telegram group, go back to the page. Now click on this Twitter link. After you go to this Twitter link, just wait. So wait for the Twitter page to open. So after the Twitter page has opened, click on follow, and now scroll down. Now just you need to let's just verify what task you need to do on Twitter. Okay, tag 3 friends. So you can just tag 3 of your friends. Just click on this like button, then click on this button, then click on quote tweet, then tag any of your 3 followers. Then click on retweet. After you have done this, then you need to click again on this button. Now you just need to click on retweet. After you do this, you need to go back to the form page, and now you just need to scroll down, enter your email address. Just need to enter, fill in all the submissions, do all the submissions. Follow us on Twitter and enter Twitter username. We have already followed them, so enter our Twitter username there. Enter your Twitter username. My Twitter username is this. You can enter your Twitter username. Now retweet the pinned tweet and enter retweet link. So we need to enter the retweet link right here. So for that we need to open the Twitter account. Click on top left corner bars. Click on open our profile and scroll down and click on this share button. Now click on copy link. Go back to the site now and then paste it over here. Join our Telegram channel and enter Telegram username. We have already joined the Telegram channel, so enter your Telegram username right here. I'm entering mine. Referral Telegram username. Here you have to enter the Telegram username which I provided on the post. So here you need to enter my Telegram username, which is Adarsh Patel 25. After you just to copy this, write this Twitter Telegram username, you need to submit your BSC wallet address. So just go back to here, Trust Wallet, and then search for Smart Chain. This is our Binance Smart Chain. Click on here, click on copy, and now you need to go back to the page and paste it here as my Telegram username in this, and I am writing other Telegram username for referral. And when you write your Telegram username, write it here, your Telegram username, and here you need to write my Telegram username, which I have already provided in the post. So you can copy from there the Telegram username and enter it, paste it here in the referral Telegram username blank. So after doing that, click on submit the form. So click on submit. Now friends, our first airdrop is completed. We have successfully joined the first airdrop, and now we need to just scroll up and on our Telegram channel Hidden Airdrop Finder and just see for the second airdrop, which is Future of Airdrop. Here you can get $75 tokens, FTV tokens for free for joining. And if you want to refer, you can also refer and get $7.5 per worth FTV tokens per referral. So this is a limited airdrop, so you must join this fast. So let's open this Telegram bot. I have already joined this, so I'm just showing you how to join. Click on start, click on this start button, and then you need to solve the captcha. It will show something like this. So you need to solve the do the calculation and paste it over here. Then it will show something like this. Then it will show like join these tasks. You need to click on or do all these tasks like joining group and channel. So click on the group. Click on group and join this group. After you join, click on channel and join this channel. Now you need to click follow their Twitter, like and retweet the pinned post. So click on Twitter, open it on Twitter. I am already following it, so that's why it's showing following. If you didn't follow, then click on follow. Then you need to scroll down, then click on like, and then click on this button, and then click on, after clicking on this button, then click on retweet button. After you click on retweet button, your task will also be done. So mandatory tasks are all done. If you want, you can do these optional tasks. I have skipped all these optional tasks except this advertiser Twitter and retweet the post about future airdrop and join the advertiser telegram. So I have done both these optional tasks and just skipped the first three optional tasks. I have done all the mandatory tasks, 3 tasks like joining telegram group and channel and then follow Twitter. I have done this. So and on the optional tasks I have done both these optional tasks which are follow advertiser Twitter. So click on this, click on follow and just scroll down and click on this future of airdrop. Click on the post of future of, click on retweet. After you do this, go back and then click on advertiser telegram, click on telegram and join their telegram group as well. Now just go back after you did this task. Now click on submit your details. After you click on submit your details, it will show like this. Enter your email address. You need to enter your email address, then you need to enter your Twitter ID, which is like this, which you can get from your Twitter profile, Twitter username. Enter your Twitter username here. Then you need to click on skip Instagram task if you didn't do this task. Then click on skip YouTube task if you didn't submit their if you didn't follow their YouTube. And then you need to click on no if you didn't subscribe their YouTube channel and just share the video. If you didn't do that, then click no. And after we have done both the tasks like optional tasks like follow their advertiser Twitter and Telegram. So I have done yes in the case of Twitter and Telegram follow. After you do all these, it will finally ask you for submitting the BSC Smart Chain address, which you can get from Trust Wallet. I have already shown this. This is a Binance Smart Chain. Click on copy and submit it on the bot. Then it will show something like this. Then click on complete the airdrop. And after you click on complete the airdrop, you have successfully joined the airdrop. So now it will show that you have got something like you have when you click on balance after complete the airdrop, you have successfully joined the airdrop. And when you click on balance, it will show so like you have earned 1250 FTV tokens. So and you can also get $7.5 worth and 250 FTV tokens for each referral. So I suggest you that please don't miss this airdrop, must join this airdrop. So after you have joined this airdrop, we have also joined this second airdrop. So now we need to move on to our third airdrop. Now this is a big airdrop as it can be an exchange airdrop. It is an exchange airdrop, so it's really big airdrop. So let's just click on this button and join this airdrop right now. After you click on this button, it will click on start button, and after you click on start button, as I have already joined, so I am showing like this. This is a very good amazing airdrop, so you must join this. It can be a huge potential airdrop as it's like an exchange airdrop. So now you need to click on next. After you click on start, it will show something like this. Then click on next, then do all the 3 tasks. This is very simplest airdrop, so just click on join official. After you join this, then click on the second task. After you do the second task, you need to click on this and follow them on Twitter. So click on this, open on Twitter and click on follow. I'm already following, so let's just go back and now click on dashboard. After you click on dashboard, it will show something like this. So after you click on balance, it will show something like this, that you have total, your unique user ID is this, and you have total 0 BTB referral reward and 0.016 BTB joining bonus. So you will get 0.016 BTB joining bonus, and this is your free joining bonus, so you can earn this as well. And if you want to refer, you can also refer. Referral is not mandatory, so but if you want to refer and if you want to earn more, then you can do referral by just sharing this your referral link. You have in total 0 referral, you have claimed total 0 BTB from your referrals, as I didn't refer any user yet. So now you just need to scroll down, and then you can see, and you can check balance if you want to just check your how much you have earned. So I just show you like this 0.016 BTB my earned bonus. So friends, that's all for the video. These were all the 3 airdrops which you must not miss, and if you want to join, you can also join these other airdrops like this Cyber World airdrop testnet. You can join this airdrop as this can be a huge potential airdrop. And also check out my other airdrops. This is also an amazing airdrop, review to airdrop, so you must also join this airdrop by just clicking here and do all these tasks mentioned over here. So friends, if you like this video, so please support, like, share and subscribe, and also join this Telegram channel. I have provided the link of this Telegram channel in the description, where you will go to get all these airdrops links so that you can join these airdrops and earn huge rewards. Thank you.